to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So it's 7th of September 2020 and time is 10:13 a.m. Now coming on to our watch list. So traders, we are not having any stocks today for trading. We are only watching BANKNIFTY. So when I'll get any opportunity, I'll update you. So traders, I'm seeing an opportunity here. I would place a sell order of BANKNIFTY. These are our targets and stop loss. So I'm thinking that should I place the order or not. Stop loss is this. Let us get some signal and you will exit the trade. Traders, I'm thinking that there can be a pattern of double top. Let me explain you. If it can be drawn on, let me draw like this with the help of trend line. So one, drawing it again, this can be double top. As you can see here, the target is here because there can be some support at from this. So my target is this. So let's wait to give break out of this line and then we will place our order. So traders, now I'm placing the order. Let's see what happens. Again today it is taking time to place our order, but okay, it's fine. We will consider our selling price at here because at this price our sell order was clicked. So let's see the momentum which it gains. So we can't say anything till now, but let's see. Our order is now placed. This and this are stop loss and this is our target. So let's wait for the price to get some momentum, and when it will go in one side, I'll update you. So traders, you can see here our order was placed at correct price, the price which we was expecting, but as you can see here also that it is going against our trade, but we will wait for our stop loss to get it, or it might result that after going some upward momentum it will come down. So let's wait for stop loss or target to get triggered. So traders, now I'm again pausing the video, I'll update you. So traders, as you can see here, after our order placed, the price came near to our target, and from there only it took the support and our target was not triggered. So I waited for the target. So you can see here we have not hit our target yet. It's just near to our target. So I will wait some more time for our target to get hit. If it didn't hit, I'll update you, but we will wait for it to get triggered. Either we will got our stop loss hit or we want our target. So traders, we are waiting. So let's see what is going to happen. I will update you when anything happens. So traders, let me show you time. So it's 3:15 p.m. Now let me show you that our target has got hit. We placed our order at somewhere 10:30, and our target was triggered at somewhere 12, sorry, 2:30. So you can see traders that we have to wait for so long to get our target triggered. Trading is also not so easy. We have to wait and have to be patient. So traders, this was our today's trade. Hope you enjoyed some and hope you enjoyed and learned something from my trade. So thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.